how to reset Safari on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today, I'll guide you through the process of resetting Safari on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. You'll need to open up your settings app and then scroll down to the bottom, and there you'll find apps. Tap on it, and on the search bar, search for Safari. So tap on it, and then you'll need to scroll down, and uh, you'll find clear history and website data. So if you tap on it and choose all history, and also toggle on close all tabs. Now if you tap on clear history, then it removes browsing history, cookies, and other data. And this is how you reset Safari on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.